You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce the name of this Italian dish from Tuscany? For more names from Italian cuisine that can be confusing, and French as well, make sure to stay tuned. Loads to learn here on the channel. This means literally Tuscan soup, so a soup from Tuscany. In Italian, it is pronounced as zuppa, zuppa, with a double P, so stress on the P, make it twice as long. Zuppa Toscana, Toscana, Zuppa Toscana, Zuppa Toscana. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.